Hey everyone, and welcome to your space. Does this look familiar? That little dance with the mouse, the click, the drag, the copy, finding just the right spot, and the paste. We've all done it. It gets the job done, but let's be honest, it's slow. It pulls you out of your coding flow. Welcome to part 1 of our journey to becoming a keyboard-first developer. Our main purpose is simple: to build deep automatic muscle memory for shortcuts that will make you faster, more efficient, and more joyful coder. Okay, first thing first, let's first do the housekeeping. Number 1, you need Ctrl+C, just Ctrl+C without selection. Don't select the entire line. Don't triple click to select the line. Don't drag from beginning to the end of line. What you have to do instead is place the cursor anywhere on the line that you want to copy. Press Ctrl+C, move to destination, and hit Ctrl+V. Now, number 2, cut line or blocks. That's Ctrl+X. To the line that you want to cut, Ctrl+X. You don't need to select. Don't select the line first. Don't use Ctrl+A then Ctrl+X. Just Ctrl+X. And again, it doesn't matter the cursor position. As long as you are on the line, you're pretty much good to go. Just like that. Number 3, moving lines up and down. You don't have to select, copy, delete, move the cursor, then paste. What you have to do instead is use Alt up arrow or Alt down arrow. Again, it doesn't matter where the cursor is. As long as the cursor is on the line that you're trying to move, you're good to go. Number 4, duplicate lines. And that's Alt, Shift, up or down arrow. Again, don't select, copy, move the cursor to the position, and Ctrl+V. What you have to do instead, anywhere on the line that you're trying to duplicate. Now hold Alt and Shift down to duplicate that line below the current line, or hold down Alt Shift up. Use this one, Alt Shift up. This works on multiple lines as well. We select these lines, then Alt Shift up or down arrow. Number 5, word or line navigation. That's Ctrl plus left or right arrow. Do not use your cursor to move character by character. Do not use your mouse to click the word boundaries. What you have to do instead, use Ctrl right arrow for word jumping, like this. Ctrl left arrow, backward. Number 2, use End key for line end, and Home for line start. And if you're trying to go at the file start, now hold down Ctrl Home to go to the file start and Ctrl End to go to the end of the file. Number 6, multi-cursor renaming. Ctrl D and Ctrl Shift L. Do not manually find and replace each occurrence. Do not use find and replace dialog for simple renames, but instead hold down Ctrl D for greater selection and Ctrl Shift L for all occurrences at once. You press Ctrl D to select the current word, Ctrl D again. To add next occurrence, continue until all desired occurrences are selected. Type new name. All instances update simultaneously. Now, number 7, additional game-changing shortcuts. Column selection. Alt, Shift drag. Select rectangular blocks of text. Perfect for editing multiple lines with similar patterns. Hold down Shift, Alt, and right arrow. Intelligently expand selection to next logical boundary. Brackets, quotes, words, lines, and so on. Go to line, Ctrl G. Jump directly to specific line number, essential for debugging with line numbers. Quick open, Ctrl P. Quickly open files by typing partial names. Hit Ctrl F4 to close the current file. Command palette. Ctrl Shift P. Access any VS Code command. Format document, toggle features, and so on. Multi-line editing. Ctrl Alt, up or down arrow. For more tutorials that actually make sense and the kind of clarity that builds confidence, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this with their friend who still struggles without mouse changes. My joy is fulfilled when I see you back strong. And remember, even if millions would subscribe, nobody can take your place. This is Dhispace Labs, your space to grow, create, and feel proud doing it.